Hello, folks. Are you looking for free certification courses? Or wish to make use of your time in this never ending lockdown? Are you someone who wishes to make a move in your career or just freshly graduated out of college? Then you can make use of this lockdown effectively to acquire new skills. Learning an in demand course will definitely make you stand out in the crowd and help you land a better job in this economic crisis. There are endless courses we can get on the internet, but finding a free certification course might be a trickier for you. In this video, we have extensively researched and listed out 10 free certification courses which are trending, which you can do anywhere, anytime, and that too without digging your pocket. So, without further ado, let's check out our top 10 free courses list that anyone and everyone should do. Please check the links provided in the description box to avail the free courses. Starting up with number 10, we have graphic design. Graphics convey more easily than words. Graphic design is a way of problem solving and visual communication that uses photography, illustration, and typography. Career-wise, graphic design is regarded as one of the highest paid jobs. As per the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the demand for all kind of graphic designer is expected to increase by 13% by the year 2020. You may land into big profile companies like Pentagram, Landor, Meta Designer, HappyCog as junior or senior creative designer roles. The course that we have selected for graphic design is offered by Allison with flexible deadline and shareable certificate. The course would take 2 to 3 hours and consist of 5 modules. The course will teach you the graphic design elements, shape, colors, font, composition, layout, and organizational systems. Graphic design history, international typographic style modernism. Graphic design process, design research techniques, drafts. Design process elements. Skills you will gain from the course are graphic design fundamentals. Understand the use of design elements such as space, color, and type. Understand the use of compositional techniques. Design process as a problem-solving activity. At number 9, we have Introduction to Personal Branding. Many of you must be wondering, what is personal branding? Presenting a skill is equally important as learning one. That's what personal branding teaches you. It enables you to charge higher prices or demand a higher salary and still win the business and get a job. This course is offered by University of Virginia. It is a beginner level with flexible deadline and shareable certificate. The course will take 5 hours and consist of only 5 modules. The course teaches you what personal branding means, establish brands on at least 3 social media platforms, create a mission statement for personal brand, become familiar with basics of digital security and reputation management, and create a system for ongoing brand maintenance. The skills that you will learn out of the course are personal branding, brand management, and creating brand maintenance plan. At number 8, Code Yourself, an introduction to programming. Global companies like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Satya Nadella began their career as coders. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, between year 2016 and 2026, the number of software engineers is expected to grow at a rate of 24%, much faster than any other fields in the country. You may be offered jobs as software engineers, system programmer, computer programmer, and many others in companies like Microsoft, Oracle, Intellectsoft, Capgemini, TCS, and Wipro. This course is offered by University of Edinburgh. Is a beginner level course with flexible deadline and shareable certificate. The course will take around 13 hours and consist of 71 video lectures. The course will introduce to basic programming concept and familiarize yourself with Scratch, how to use events in your programs and incorporate visual and sound effects in Scratch, modifying and extending existing games to create new versions, introduce to procedure and cloning in Scratch and apply these ideas to reuse your code, steps of software development to create a fun computer game, and also learn about message broadcasting and concurrency. The skills you will gain from the course are computer programming, algorithm, and programming language, that is Scratch. At number 7, digital skills, artificial intelligence. From Siri to self-driving cars, AI is progressing rapidly. By 2021, 80% of emerging technologies will have AI foundation. Companies from every sector would be offering job roles like software analyst, algorithm specialist, research scientist, surgical technician, working with robotic tools and whatnot. This course is offered by Accenture, beginner level with flexible deadlines and shareable certificate. This course will take approximately 3 weeks with 7 videos. In this course, you will learn more about past, present, and future of AI and explore its potential in the workplace. You will enhance your understanding with interesting facts, trends, and insight about using AI. After going through the course, you will be able to identify the relationship between AI and human, key shift in the workplace influenced by AI, identify future skills required to work and interact with AI, and produce an action plan to adapt your skills for the future. At number 6, we have Startup India Learning Program. Startup India Learning Program is a free online entrepreneurship program by Startup India, a Government of India initiative. The aim is to help entrepreneurs get their ideas and ventures to the next level through structured learning. The course includes a free certificate. The duration of the course is around 3 weeks. The modules would teach idea identification assessment, building a legal foundation, understanding finance basics, introduction to business planning, fundraising and validation, pitching and term sheets. The skills you will gain from the course: industry insights, real-life success and failures from Indian entrepreneurs, networking and mentoring, step-by-step insights in creating business plans. At number 5, Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Hired by everyone, from Apple to Google, Lux to Maggie. It will remain as most powerful way of marketing in the future. Around 69% of the companies are going to hire more marketers. The digital economy is growing 10x faster than the offline economy. Companies will hire with job roles like digital marketing executives, manager, SEO executive, social media marketing expert, digital marketing copywriters, conversion rate optimizer. This course is offered by Google. It is a beginner level course with flexible deadline and shareable certificate. This course is consist of 26 modules and will take around 40 hours. You will learn building online presence, planning online business strategy, search engine basics, SEO process, choosing keywords, making web pages search friendly, SEM Introduction, SEM Auction, Social Media Basics and Advertising, Content Email Marketing, and Web Analytics. Skills that you will gain from the course: Analytics and Data Insights, Business Strategy, Content and Email Marketing, SEO, SEM, and Web Optimization. At number 4, we have Marketing Analytics. Marketing analysts help organizations to shape, advertise, and market their products and also reduce the cost of their business promotion by targeting the right audience and measuring the progress. This is one of the most dynamic jobs in marketing. You can be offered job roles like research analyst, equity research analyst, business analyst, product marketing analyst in companies such as Facebook, Salesforce, Americans, JD Morgan, Virgin. This course is offered by University of Virginia, which is a beginner level course with flexible deadline and free certificate. The course will take around 16 hours and consist of 63 videos. You will learn building and defining a brand architecture and measure the impact of marketing efforts on brand value over time. Design basic experiment to assess marketing efforts and invest marketing dollars most effectively. Measure customer lifetime value and use that information to evaluate strategic marketing alternatives. Set up regression, interpret outputs, explore co-founding effects and biases, and distinguish between economic and statistical significance. After the course is over, you will have knowledge of marketing experiment, customer lifetime value, regression analysis, marketing analytics, and brand equity. At number 3, we have Google Analytics. Analytics is most widely used web analytics service on the internet. It is a comprehensive data collection, processing, and reporting tool in relation to the user visitor on your website. The analyst is the foundation of SEO, social media marketing, research engine marketing, and more. Job roles you may land onto are digital marketing specialist, data analytics, search engine optimization analyst or specialist, data scientist, digital marketing associates in company like Accenture, Amazon, TCS, Google India. This course is offered by Google, has a flexible deadline and free certificate. It will take around 4 to 6 hours to complete 17 video lectures. You will learn about Google Analytics working setup, the Google Analytics interface, navigating Google Analytics, understanding full reports, understanding basic reports consisting of audience, acquisition, and behavior reports, basic campaign and conversion tracking. After completion of the course, you will be able to set up data filters, navigate Google Analytics interface and reports, analyze basic audience, acquisition and behavior reports, set goals and campaign tracking. The new driving force behind industries is data. Data science is not a standalone field. It needs knowledge of statistics, math, CS, and core knowledge. There is a huge abundance of data, but not enough resources to convert data into useful products. And that's where data scientists are required. In marketing, analyze sale revenues and provide decision to maximize it. With advent of deep learning algorithm in data science, it is possible to detect tumors and other defects at very early stage. Also analyze genomic sequence and develop new drug. Job offered in many companies like P&G, Amazon, IBM, etc. This course is offered by Duke University, which is a beginner level course with flexible deadline and shareable certificate. At 2, Data Science Math Skills. The course offered takes around 13 hours and consists of 34 videos. You will learn building blocks for data solving, functions and graphs, measuring rate of change, introduction to probability theory. After the course is over, you would have sound knowledge of Bayes' theorem, Bayesian probability, and probability theory. Number 1 stands data science, visualizing data and exploring models. This beginner level course is offered by Allison, would take 2 to 3 hours and has 3 modules. This course will teach you data exploration and visualization, exploratory data analysis, data visualization with R, Python, building models in Azure machine learning, modeling in R, Python, model evaluation and comparison. After the course is over, you will be able to identify the features and methods available in R and Python for creating machine learning models, identify different types of chart to visualize data, evaluation of machine learning models. Thank you for your love and support shown in our previous videos. We really appreciate it. Are you excited to try any of the courses? If yes, please like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates from Gear Your Career.